This is almost like a never type of chance, but you just never know. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. So now we can zoom out. You may not be able to see it, but that position is directly above now because it has the same Y direction. The X and the Y match. So whenever you do an approach position, your X and your Y need to match your at position. And the reason for that is you want your robot to come directly down. This is when you're moving in a downward motion too, right? So when moving down, you need your X and Y need to be in the same positions because you want to move down in an exactly straight line. There's approach positions. I want to add this caveat to this. If your approach position is inside of something, like so if you're going this way, so your approach is here and then your at position's inside, then you need to make sure like your Y and your Z are the exact same. So you got to think about relative to which way you're going. Same, we'll use Y as another example. Let's say for some odd reason you need to go into the Y direction. You need to make sure that your X and your Z data is the same. That way you still move in a straight line in Y. And so just this verification, the only thing you do is you just open up your positions. You say, what is my X? It's 758. My Y is negative 1925. And then you just come down to your other position, 758, negative 1925. So now you've confirmed those those positions that they're directly above each other. One last thing to kind of touch on with positions, speeds. Just keep in mind, like this is where you can change your speeds. Whenever doing a linear movement, these will be millimeters per second. And whenever doing a joint movement, they'll be in percentage. They'll just be in a percentage. So is it running at 10% speed, 50% speed? And I'll just switch that real quick. Joint. Switch this position to a joint. So now see how it's fine, or it's a joint position now. And then your speed is 100%.
Gotcha.
So the equivalent linear speed that's 100%, I believe is 2,000. So like if I try to put in 2,200, it'll say you can't do that. Yeah, invalid integer, you have to choose a number between 1 and 2,000. So 2,000 millimeters per second is the fastest that you can go. Also, if there's also choices to change it, inches per minute, degrees per second, things like that. But every program that I've ever worked in has always been millimeters per second, and there's really not a reason to change it.